Got the exhaust put on from the dealership. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, it's got a little throaty rumble to it. It's dual exhaust out of the back of the muffler. Eliminates that. There's no drone whatsoever once you get up to speed. I mean, all you hear is the tires rolling. You pick up about 10 to 15 horsepower easy with get rid of that stock exhaust on the truck. It's all plugged up. You know, you'll pick up maybe a little bit more. You know, I've heard up to 18 to 20. You know, depending on the applications of your vehicle. You got headers on it. You know, you got cam or intake system, tune. But ballpark figure, 10 to 15 horsepower easy without nothing. You know, just by bolting on with no tune, you know, over the stock exhaust. So, I mean, it's plugged up pretty good. But like I said, it runs good. Damn, that's bumpy. Yeah, we'll get on it here. We'll stop so you can hear it wide open. Yeah, she gets up and goes. I mean, 5.3 liter, but like I said, the tires make more of a noise than the exhaust, you know, the off-road tires. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said, down there at the dealership, $637 out the door. I mean, you can't beat that. Most exhausts, aftermarket exhausts, they want, you know, $1,500. You know, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. But this is not as, you know, fancy as that aftermarket exhaust. But, you know, this is just custom built exhaust is what this is. He cut the pipes, bent them, and put another muffler on and took off that stock crap that's on there. But hope you enjoyed the video.